Hello and welcome back to Angieland. Today we are going to be reviewing two different craft kits. We're going to find out the truth about the Walmart craft kit. So I went to Walmart the other day and I was really bored because I'm moving and all my stuff is packed up, so I decided to get this really cool craft kit. What we're going to do today is open it up and see what we got for $13. Now while I was out, I went to the thrift store and I also got this craft kit that I built myself. The box was $6 and each little item in the box, don't need that, was about $1 or $2. So let me show you the box. Okay, so this in total was probably maybe $20 total, so $7 more than $13. And we're gonna see which was the better deal, the one that I put together or Walmart's. Now, you're gonna have to bear with me because I actually packed up my tripods too, so I'm holding my camera and then I'm also putting it like on a fish tank. See, you were sitting right there, but now you're here. So anyway, we have this Walmart craft kit here, and I thought it looked so neat with like all the beads and everything, and the box looked fairly big, so I thought like, cool. So let's check it out, see what's inside here. Okay, so here is our kit, and we're just going to pull out the package here. Oh, okay, and, okay, so here's the package. We've got the beads that were showing in the window, and then what wasn't in the window is just some little tiny things. Okay, I'm a little disappointed, but let's continue. So as we open the box, this thing comes out. Oh, and it looks like we have some instructions for how to use this small amount of craft stuff. Okay, so let's check these out. Looks like we've got some good instructions there on how to make some different things. I am kind of excited about the little gem thing, but I'm a little scared the gem thing is plastic. I also got this at Walmart for about $5. It's this really neat shell, and it hangs on a hook. So I want to recreate some shells like this. Leave me a comment if you want to see me recreate this shell, because I think this is like so pretty. Okay, so this is all that we have inside here. We've got the beads, and then this little bit of stuff here, and this was $13, so far I'm really disappointed. Let's go ahead and open it up and see if there's anything else hiding in there. I don't know if you just heard that, but trying to take it out, it made it to where some of the beads fell out because of how the packaging was. So there was so few anyway, I'm glad I'll be able to find the rest. So as you can see, I took it out and it like popped. You probably heard the sound. And then the beads got all messed up. So these beads right here, these are like plastic cheap beads. Then we have these little gold ones. These little gold ones. Whoa, whoops. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I don't know. Shoot, I lost it. Those little gold ones, they're plastic also. So I really have no hope for this rock and this charm, but let's see. We'll do the rock first. Is it even a legit rock, or is it just plastic? Ah! I can't get it out. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, so here's the rock. It feels heavy. It actually feels like a real rock. So that's cool. $13 for a rock. Yay. Let's check out the crystal. Oh, what a disappointment. It's just plastic. It's not a real crystal. So far, it looks like we have a rock and some plastic for $13. Let's check out the rest. We have these handy pliers here. Everything is stuck in this so weird, it's hard to get out. It's stupid. Ah, hang on. Okay, so here are the pliers. They don't look too bad. They're heavy duty, so I imagine these would work really well. So maybe you could get a different kit and use these. And all we have is like little ring things. There's this little thing right here that has some O-rings in it, but I mean, it's so tiny, I don't even know how you're gonna do it. And then we have this really super duper thin stretchy string. It's really thin. And then have this twine here. It doesn't feel too bad, but I know from working with this type of twine that it does rub on itself and break. So then there's the same thing over here. There's more twine right here. So these little stone things right here, it's supposed to be amethyst. The white ones are quartz, and they stand for love and romance. The green ones are apatite, which stands for positivity and cleansing. And then the purple ones are amethyst. So we got some cool little rocks out of it, and then we got a cool big rock. Without even using the kit, I can tell you that that was not worth $13. I'm really glad that I went to the thrift store, because let me show you what I got at the thrift store for about $20. First, I got this neat little box to keep everything in, and it was $6. So let's add this up. And inside, there's actually this tray. I think this box is so cute. It's got little weaving and stuff. So the first thing I got was this butterfly. It was about $2. Then we have this for $1, $1, $3, 50 cents, 50 cents. These things look super cool. $2, $2. And then I got some knobs, 4 sets, for $2 each. So $8 right there. Okay, so when we add up what I bought, it did cost $24 as opposed to $13. So let's take out a few things and see what $13 would actually get us. So we'll start with the box. That's 6, and then we'll go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh wait, hang on. Okay, so we'll take these out. So we got the box, which is 6. And then this little deal was $2, so that's 8. We'll go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So for $13, we would have got this cute little box and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different little findings. So I would like to know from you guys, which would you like to buy? Would you rather have the thrift store one, or would you rather have the Walmart one? Let me know in the comments. And also, if you are surprised by how much the Walmart one gave us, please let us know your thoughts on that, because I feel like it was a total ripoff. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.